Hello guys, Top Boy here again, and I'm here with this new update. I'm gonna be showing you guys an app that pays you to just walk. I know you guys will be thinking it's Sweatcoin. No, it's not Sweatcoin. This one is a new app. This one actually pays in gift card or direct to your PayPal, anyone of your choice, and it's very easy. It won't take you long before you can withdraw. So the minimum withdrawal of this website is $5. So it's actually easy to get $5 from this website because everything there is very easy because you don't do tax. You just download the app on your phone and leave it like that. You will just everything will just be doing by itself. What you have to come and be doing every year on the app is, let me show you guys. So let me open the app so you guys can see it by yourself, because throughout today I haven't opened the app. I'm just opening it right now today. As you can see, I have made 7,050 steps today. So what I do on this app is, after I went to, or do all my daily activities, I will just come to this app. Maybe in the night I will come to this app and check how many steps I have made. So what this app is, you're wondering how the app is, how they're counting your step, how the app counts your step. Like, they once you download the app, they will ask you to accept some things. They went like, let the app run on your background and let this app open by itself. So all those things, once you accept all those things, you must accept all those things, because if you don't accept it, the app won't be able to read your steps. So what I will do here now is, like, every day I'll come here. There is a daily check-in you have to do. Let me click it. Here is the top, at the right top here. You can see it. Check-in. Let me check in. Click check in today, and I will check in today. Actually, the network is bad, but let me click it again because I have checked in today. And click back. And this box, I can see all this gift box here. Now let me use arrow so you guys can. Let me use arrow. You can see this gift box here, and do this one here and this one here. This four box, you will come here and open it. Once you open the first one, if you are a kind of people that normally check on the app every hour, or you will know that these ones will be like this one they either walk 2,000 steps, walk 4,000 steps. As you can see, I have made 7,000 steps. So if I haven't made up to 2,000, I won't be able to open the second one, this one, and this one. I won't be able to open it. So it's because I have made more than the steps they require, so I can open it. Once you open it, there will be an ad that will pop out. So you have to watch the ad to the end before you can get your reward. As you can see here, people are withdrawing. Look at this place. You can see this place. People are withdrawing from this app every day. So don't think this is just like something to advertise their app, or to market their app, or to promote their app. This is actually real. If I haven't withdrawn from this site, I would think this is a lie. So I have withdrawn from this site. I don't want to open my email. If I open my email, we see the gift card that they send me. Actually, I withdraw through gift card. So you can also withdraw through PayPal, anyone of your choice. And if you withdraw through PayPal and gift card, if you don't know how to trade your gift card, you can just drop it on the comment section of this video. I will give you tips, and I can help you to trade it if you want, or I can teach you how to trade it. So that's it. Let me show you what you have to do here, so everything will be easy for you. So you come here. Let me remove this shit. This this one is very important. This invite friends for the first time. This place. this place. If you come here and click this place, I want to show you guys something here. Let me click it. As you can see what they write here at the top here, get up to $10 new user bonus auto deposit to PayPal, earn 20 to 50 coins. Okay. Once you come here, because first of all, when you register on the site, when you sign up on this app, they will ask you for a referral code. Those of you that don't normally like to put referral code, that so far you have gotten the site, don't bother. This one is for you. If you don't want to put it, it's your own business. So you will earn this bonus. So I will be posting the referral code on this video description, so you can copy it there. If you did not put it, because when you sign up on this app, the next page that they will bring, they will ask you to put a referral code. Make sure you have copied the code already, so you can paste it there directly. So as you are opening the app, they will just give you your bonus. So, but if you didn't put it there, you can also come here. You see where I click? Like, let me go back. You see this place that I click and invite friends for the first time? You can click go. Look at this top that they write enter code. You will come and click the top right here and enter the code. Once you enter the code, they will give you your bonus. So no big deal. This is the main place I want you guys to look, because if you have made this step and you didn't come here and do this thing, the step is wasted, because after 24 hours the step will refresh. It will refresh to 0. So make sure you do this before 24 hours, before the next day. Let me say before the next day. So make sure you do this. You will come here, this place that they write, let me show you everything that we do. This box here that they write 30, as you can see 30, you have to click it. You have to click it, and this place, and this place. Very important. So let me start with this place. Lucky box. They will add in, and ad will pop out now. I don't want you guys to watch the ad, so let me just pause the video. As you can see, I have gotten 1 coin because I have watched the ad. So I don't want the video to be too long, so I won't be watching other ad. I have to go to the next, that other box. Let me just close this. Press cancel. As you can see, I've got 1 box, 1 coin here. So that's what I will do here now. I'm due to this other one. I've got everything. This one is actually will be actually more than 1. This one will be actually more than 1 too. So this is where the payment is. This box, that is this gift box here. I have to be clicking it. So I've gotten 1 coin again. I have to click it till that 30 coin. I will claim all the 30 coin, because if you don't claim it in 24 hours, like the next day, the thing will, everything will be, you will lose everything, because everything will refresh. Like this step now will refresh to 0 till you start making new steps. So I have to claim it. Let me click it. I'll click it again. Click on that one. So that's what you will be doing till you click everything. That's it. I don't want this video to be too long. If not, I should like be clicking it so I can claim everything. So I don't want the video to be too long. So you guys have seen what I've done here. It's very easy. No big deal there. No big deal. So just make sure you copy my referral code before you, so you can paste it and get your bonus. I'll even post the link so you can download the app from the App Store. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell, and join my Telegram channel also. If you go to my channel description, you will see all my pages, even WhatsApp group, my Facebook and TikTok and Telegram. Everything I have everything on my video, like on my channel description, not the video description, the channel description. So thank you guys for watching my video. Share and like the video, and God bless you.